अब तो होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है, होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है, तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर, हाँ तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर। ये इश्क का जो फितूर है, नशे में दिल तेरे चूर है, अब तो होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है, होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है, तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर, तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर।
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and let me first start off by saying that I actually filmed this look to be posted on Instagram because I like doing more creative looks on Instagram. But when I posted like the finished look and like a few sneak peeks, I got so many DMs from you guys saying that you want a detailed tutorial on this needs to be uploaded, girl, what the hell are you doing with your life? So I was like, alright, let me go ahead and do this. So I'm sorry the video is going to be like fully voiceover, but I hope you guys enjoy. And huge shout out to NORAH FATEHI. I think she's done a fan-fucking-tabulous job in the music video. And this is, I think it has broken all sorts of records in the country and all over, so I'm just so extremely happy for her. I know for a fact that she has worked so very hard in this industry, and I am so very happy for every accolade that is coming her way right now, and she deserves every bit of it. So girl, congratulations, enjoy this time, make the best use of it, and may you reach the moon and the stars and all sorts of places. So having said that, also, if you guys haven't checked out the Dilbar song, I will link it down below. If you haven't honestly seen it, I feel you're living under a rock because it has like crossed already 130 million views. And yeah, this is obviously not the look that she wore in the music video, but this is the look that music video inspired me to do. So that's why we are going to call it the Dilbar inspired makeup look. Alright, okay. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Dilbar, 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 ah, Dilbar, Dilbar.
Alright, so we are going to first start off with the eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes with my favorite concealer in the whole wide world, which is the Makeup Studio one. I love this one because this is very, very high in coverage, and because we are going to use a lot of colors in our eyes, this was the perfect kind of base. I am also setting it with a little bit of my banana powder, and straight away going to my crease. I'm going to use that kind of medium brown as my first transition shade on my crease with a fluffy crease brush, just to kind of start off the eyes and give it some depth. Then I'm going to take these two shades on a denser crease brush and really concentrate that just a little below where we put the medium brown. This is to really kind of deepen up the eye socket. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut the crease with this Colourpop Ultra Matte lipstick. This is because I want the red to really pop, and I'm kind of cleaning it up with a lip brush here, and I'm also setting it with this red shade with that comes in my 35U Morphe palette. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take a little bit of this orange shade from the 35O palette and put it kind of in the end. I'm going to take this beautiful Inglot pigment and I'm going to put it in my outer V again. This is to really kind of give those eyes a little glittery something something, if you know what I mean. And I also dip my brush in a little bit of the Inglot Duraline for this. And now the red, which is the star power of our show, this I'm going to take, which is also from Makeup Studio, and I'm going to put it in the inner third and kind of just blend the Inglot pigment and the Makeup Studio glitter so that everything is seamless. I'm going to take the Incolor gel liner, and today I'm going to dip in a little bit of the Duraline also because we are dealing with glitters and pigments. So if you mix a little bit of Duraline, it just helps getting a really snatched, you know, hella winged liner. And I'm also going to go over that with this Miss Claire pearl liner, which kind of brought the whole look together. Time for the face. I'm going to mix these two foundations. This is the NYX and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. One is too dark and one is too light for me, and when I mix them together, they give me a very good finish and also a good color. Time for under eyes. I'm going to mix two concealers. I'm going to mix the Colourpop and this Maybelline one. Maybelline one, I'm going to put it a little lower, and the Colourpop one near the eye. And here I'm just going to blend and you can see how brightening this is. Like seriously, so brightening. Time to set my under eyes, and I'm going to bake the hell out of my under eyes because we need our under eyes to be bright and awake. So I'm going to put my favorite Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm going to then contour my face and use the Wet n Wild contour palette and kind of bronze and contour my face. Then I'm going to kind of chisel out my cheekbones and bake under my jawline also, so that everything is bright. Then I'm going to take off the bakage which is sitting under my eyes because we need to work on them lower lash line now. And you can see how bright it has gotten, and I'm going to use the same shades that we used on our crease, and I'm going to use a little bit of this red just so that it kind of brings the whole redness that is going on top of our eye also below. I'm also going to use this black liner just on the outer thirds, and I'm going to use this beautiful blush by MAC which is called Peaches on my cheeks, and kind of go a little ham with it because blush always tends to wear off with all the other things that is coming along. Then I'm going to use my Versali Jelly Beam on all the high points of my face, and over top I'm going to use my current favorite highlighter, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold, all over my face. Yes honey, just drench it. Just drench your face in highlight. To set it all up, I'm going to use the PAC Micro Finish setting spray, and as you can tell, all the powderiness has gone away and our face looks glowy and beautiful. Time for lips. I'm going to mix these two shades. One is by NYX and this is by Nykaa. I will list the exact shades down below, do not worry. And on top I'm going to use the beautiful Fenty gloss, which I feel really brought the whole look together. And yes, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed.
So yes, that is the finished look. I got this accessory from my favorite place here in Dubai, Dragon Mart of course, and I was honestly waiting to wear this in a video, and I'm so glad I wore it for this one because I felt that it was so apt. And yes, I am in love. I usually do not play with reds on my eyes, but I am in freaking love with the way this turned out. And yes, I'm so very happy. I am hopefully back in my zone to create more content, to do more shit. I'm just like, I'm ready to go, people. I'm just ready to go. So subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.